Want to stay ahead in tech? The programming world is evolving fast, and learning the right language can open massive opportunities. In this video, we'll break down the 10 best programming languages to learn in 2025 and why they matter. Let's get started. Python remains king. It powers AI, data science, web development, and automation. With its simple syntax and huge demand in AI and ML, Python is a must-learn language. The web runs on JavaScript. It's essential for front-end and back-end development. Frameworks like React, Angular, and Node.js make JavaScript crucial for web apps, gaming, and even AI. Created by Google, Go is lightweight and super fast, ideal for cloud computing and big systems. Go is replacing older languages in high-performance applications. If you want a future-proof skill, Go is a great choice. Rust is secure, fast, and memory efficient, perfect for system programming and blockchain. It's backed by major companies like Microsoft and Meta. If you love performance and safety, learn Rust. Kotlin is the future of Android development. Google fully supports Kotlin for Android apps, making it the best alternative to Java for mobile development. If you want to build iOS apps, Swift is the language to master. Apple's ecosystem is growing fast. Learning Swift can land you a high-paying job in mobile app development. TypeScript is JavaScript's better version, adding static typing for fewer bugs and more scalable applications. Big companies like Microsoft and Slack love TypeScript. It's a must-learn for serious web developers. Databases are the backbone of modern applications, and SQL and NoSQL help manage data efficiently. Every company needs data experts. Learning SQL or NoSQL will make you an essential tech professional. C++ is powerful and fast, used in game development, finance, and system programming. If you want to build high-performance software, games, or trading systems, C++ is your go-to language. Solidity powers blockchain and smart contracts on Ethereum and Web3. The demand for blockchain developers is skyrocketing. If you want to be part of the Web3 revolution, learn Solidity. So those are the 10 best programming languages to learn in 2025. Which one are you learning? Let me know in the comments.